Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take AI. Today in this video, let's learn about how to generate background using AI background. So let's get started. For that, we need to get into any browser and simply search for AI background generator. And we get to see various links over here. Let's get into pixart.com, or you can choose any of others as well. So now, if we scroll down over here, we can see try smart background option. Now we are getting into app. You can simply continue with website as well. Now choose the image you want to remove or create the background. Now we can see the smart background is being updated over here. Now over here you can add the details and ask AI to make the required changes. Also, you can choose various popular backgrounds like textures, concrete, or white marble, and the outdoors background. On this, we can see we need the subscription. So make sure you have the subscription to make or get the background through AI. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.